Go ahead and try it.
Alright, Dad.
Oh shoot, you hit it.
All right, everyone, we've got Seth and Riley. They're the pit crew on this project. Riley keeps backing out of the camera shot, but I got him anyway. Seth is changing the tires over to big tires so that he doesn't fall down in the crack and run over our GoPro. He's already done it once. We're gonna try it and see. Riley, this is his first assistance on our video program.
I don't think he likes it.
Look at that. Look how he's got the grass stuck in that wheel. This thing is so fast. It makes fast things seem not so fast.
I hate this YouTube channel.
Oh, wait, Riley, you got a snort going. I like that. Oh, wait. Seth, he's serious. Boy, howdy, he got it stuck on there. He's gonna. Hey, I think you missed the 5-second pit crew change the tire time.
I'm too slow.
Too slow. Seth, drop the nut. Oh, there it goes. All right, good deal. What kind of car is this, Seth? It's a Rustler?
Yeah.
What? Tell us a little bit about it real quick.
It's a Traxxas Rustler. It goes like 70 miles an hour.
A Traxxas Rustler.
And it goes 70 miles an hour.
About 70 miles an hour.
And that's about
And
it.
this is not a kid's toy. But he's been playing with it since he was a little bitty kid. All right, I'm gonna go out here. See what they can do. Now we've got a ramp set up. Okay. I'm gonna try this again. Oh, Jet just got he's got it. He's gonna be after it now. Okay, I'm gonna put the GoPro down in here. Put the GoPro down in here to where it hopefully doesn't get run over. All right, guys, we have a Traxxas Rustler. We've got the two guys that are gonna jump the Traxxas Rustler. We've got a GoPro sitting right there in between the ramps. We've got a handy cam sitting right here to catch the down view. Here it comes. They are running the Traxxas. We've got our spectator dog over here. Now don't let it run over you. We're gonna get it as it travels across the ramp, and then I'm gonna get down there. Ready, go. All right. Ah! Oh, this one fell. Hey, get me a little rock over there. I'm gonna put it behind there. All right. GoPro, and I am going to stick this camera right here so you get the end shot, and then I'm going to film it with my iPhone. All right, guys, we have a Traxxas Rustler. We've got the two guys that are going to jump the Traxxas Rustler. We've got a GoPro sitting right there in between the ramps. We've got a handy cam sitting right here to catch the down view. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's way over there. Take off, Seth. Here it comes. I think I'm gonna have to tilt my camera up just a little bit so I get that passing shot. Don't jump it and kill your car.
It won't kill it.
Okay, you ready? Okay, we got the two guys. They are running the Traxxas. We got our spectator dog over here. And now don't let it run over you.
I'm on the way.
We're gonna get it as it travels across the ramp, and then I'm gonna get down there. Ready, go. All right. Now then. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead. We only got a minute.
Okay. Move, Dad.
Ah! Hey, he nailed the landing. You ready?
Yeah, you gotta press film.
Okay, here we go.
You should have done it.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm going.
Glad we have a mechanic in the family. He tends to break it, and then he has to rework it. What is this that happened? The gear sheared off?
Okay, there it is. The pinion gear just like the set screw came with that.
The pinion gear set screw.
Yeah,
Okay.
you see this?
Ah, there it is. It's hot.
Yeah.
The pinion gear set screw. Putting a little blue Loctite on it.
Mm-hmm.
And that holds the gear cog on.
Yeah, cause you see this little flat spot right here?
Yeah.
It just screws in and then it tightens down on that.
Gotcha. I see how it engages that master pin, that master cog. All right. And why didn't the other wheel turn?
All the weight is on that wheel, so it goes to the most free open wheel, because this one's over here on the ground.
Gotcha. Putting this cover back on. Riley, you got RC car?
No.
Huh?
I'll sell you one.
I'm poor.
I don't know how many you got, dude. How many you got, Seth?
Too many.
That's the lid to the... Seth, your hair's in the way.
I know. Needs a haircut.
I know, I told him, I said, you need a haircut. Mine was like that when I was 15. This is what he has to look forward to. I had, my hair was all the way down to about right here though.
Yeah,
I was a thug. Where's the nut?
somewhere right here.
I thought I saw something fall. Find it? He has lost those little nuts before, and we've had to go out and find them.
With the magnet.
You can find them. They're pretty close to where the wheel is. When the wheel flies off, that's usually where they're at.
One time I was doing a speed run on that pavement road and my wheel fell off. And I didn't even try to look for it because I was going like 70.
Now, if you won't hit me, I'm gonna lay right here and let you and film it as it's coming, okay? Oh no, Jet's attacking it over there. You missed it. Hey, you gotta hurry, my battery's gonna die. My battery's gonna die, you gotta hurry. I want you to jump it. Jump. No, you aren't, you're gonna jump me. Hey, you gotta do it again, I wasn't ready. Go. You missed it! Hey, Noah.
Yeah, you almost hit me. I had to jump over.
Flip it over, Noah. You missed it!
I hit it the first time.
I know, but I wasn't ready. Hurry, my battery's gonna die. Whoa! What's up, Noah? Ah! Oh! I wasn't ready for that one either. I was zoomed in too far. Your wheelie bar's broke.
It comes undone.
Oh, okay.
Just clip on the one.
One more time. Go slow over it, and that way I can get the...
Run right to the camera.
He already hit the GoPro once. Easy, easy. I don't want to get hurt. Ah! All right.